This home is situated on a 10,000 square foot lot with 3-bed, 2.5 bath, 2,125 square feet. If you're needing help buying, selling, or renting, feel free to shoot me a text at the number below. Unlike most homes in this price range, you're not going to find one with a rear entry garage and this sort of elevation. Huge picture windows in the front from the living room to this bedroom, or which could be considered an office. And you just have very beautiful and distinct features. The builder also incorporated curves and arches throughout the entire house, which we'll jump into next. Starting off with the office, which I would consider an office because this would be your view at sunset, and it's just a really nice way to end the day. Something more like an office than an actual bedroom, but it could also be a guest bedroom, which you have somebody staying with you. That would be a nice touch to give them a little space for their private belongings. You have a decent sized closet at the entry. Then you just have this awesome, almost like a Los Angeles living room. You have tray ceilings. They did a lime wash on top, recessed lighting, electric fireplace. You also have a wet bar right behind you if you want to entertain guests or for your own nightly cocktails while you're watching a movie and enjoying the stunning view on the west side of Dallas. It's very hard to find a house like this sitting on a hill. As you know, Texas is flat, especially North Texas. So when you're up on this side, you're going to usually encounter flat lots. Leading into the kitchen area, you have nice shaker style cabinets, white quartz countertops. You have 4 island seats here. You could probably fit a 5th. And then you have these really unique windows underneath to add just extra natural light in the living room space. Just about 30 minutes ago, this entire place was lit up just natural light, but it's about 8:52 and the sun has now begun to set. On the back end of this open concept, you have an area designated for your dining room table. You have a really cool accent wall that leads up to the ceiling, and you can place all your wines there. They have little wine fixtures. You can fit probably about 30 right there. Powdered bath. Not too big, but again, just enough to get the job done. Really cool mirror there, and again, with the continued white quartz countertop shaker cabinets. Laundry room. Sensor lights, which are nice, especially if you have your hands full. And you have some shelving at the top. You can probably add some more on either side if you really wanted to, or space for your bins. And this is just so beautiful. Very different from what you normally see in Dallas. You have a nice, spacious walk-in pantry. Family size, not for a bachelor. I skipped this other bathroom, double vanity. They did this really cool arch with the quartz countertop against the wall, connecting to the actual countertop. And then you have a nice, super large, glass enclosed walk-in shower. Black hardware, rain shower head, and you have this nice little case there for your soap, shampoo, conditioner. Here's your second bedroom with a larger closet, which is nice. They did a French door on this one. And again, you get a little bit more space, not massive, but definitely larger than the first bedroom. Last but certainly not least, we're leading to the primary, again with the arches, really nice touch. For the curved tray ceilings with the lime wash. This is about 20 feet from end to end. So this is a very, very good size primary bedroom. King size bed, and you still have about 8 feet on this side and about 4 feet on that side. And then you have these 2 windows that you can open and close, and that looks over the back garage. The builder killed it in this bathroom. Again, continued double vanity with the curves, the unique mirrors with the LED lights behind it, and you also have the wall sconces. And then they separated the soaking tub. They went with the black tub on this one, and a really nice tile on the flooring, and again connecting to the top. Just a really cool, unique lighting fixture. You don't see that often. Then you have your walk-in shower, spacious. They went with tile all the way up to the ceiling. They went with neutral tones, again continuing the trend in this bathroom. It's nice. Stepping into the primary closet, you have a really cool arched LED mirror, so you can check yourself out before you head out the door. And they took it all the way up to the ceiling for extra storage space. So you got your shoe cubbies here, plenty of hanging racks throughout, and then more shoe cubbies on this side. You can make it a his and hers, or hers and hers, or just his, whatever floats your boat. That concludes today's tour. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And again, if you're looking to buy, sell, relocate, lease, don't hesitate to reach out. My number is below, 469-767-1782. I've been doing this for over 8 years now, helping people buy, sell, relocate, everything from new construction to resales to rehab, land deals, everything, you name it, even multifamilies. Again, don't hesitate to reach out. I'd love to help you out. Thanks for watching. We'll see you soon.